Have you ever wondered how successful Amazon sellers find the perfect products to sell? It's not just a stroke of luck, but a meticulous process that hinges greatly on product research. This important step in the Amazon FBA journey is like panning for gold in a river of possibilities. It is the key that unlocks the door to success, or the secret ingredient that turns a regular dish into a culinary masterpiece. Today, we're going to unravel the mystery of Amazon FBA product research. So what exactly is Amazon FBA product research, you may ask? Well, let's dive right into it, shall we? Amazon FBA product research is the process of finding profitable product ideas to sell on Amazon's marketplace. It's about understanding what products are in demand, what customers are buying, and what you can sell to make a profit. Now you might be wondering why this is so important. The truth is, the profitability of any product you decide to sell on Amazon is determined long before you list it on the marketplace. It's determined during the product research phase. In other words, it's not enough to simply find a product you think is cool or interesting. It needs to be a product that customers want and are willing to pay for. This is where product research comes into play. Product research is essentially detective work. It's about digging deep into the Amazon marketplace, understanding the trends, and finding the products that are selling well. It's about identifying the gaps in the market and finding opportunities to fill those gaps with your products. But it's not just about finding profitable products, it's also about understanding your competition. Who are they? What are they selling? And more importantly, how can you differentiate your product to stand out from the crowd? So, how does this impact your success as a seller? Well, consider this. The more thorough your product research, the higher your chances of success. If you can find a product that's in high demand, with low competition and a good profit margin, you're off to a great start. But remember, product research is an ongoing process. The market changes constantly, and so do customer preferences. So it's important to keep your finger on the pulse of the market and continually look for new product opportunities. So, to sum it up, Amazon FBA product research is about finding the right products at the right time for the right audience. It's about understanding the market, the competition, and the customers. It's about making informed decisions based on data and insights. In essence, it's about finding the products that will give you the highest return on investment. The first step in Amazon FBA product research is identifying the right product. As we delve into this exciting journey, let's keep in mind that not all products are created equal. Identifying the right product to sell is an art that combines several crucial factors. Let's explore these elements one by one. Firstly, demand. It's essential to select a product that people want. Use tools like Google Trends or Amazon's Best Sellers rank to gauge the popularity of your product. A high-demand product is like a hot-selling pie. Everyone wants a piece of it. Secondly, competition. While a high-demand product is desirable, it's equally important to avoid saturated markets. Look for products that have less competition, as this will allow you to carve out your niche and stand out from the crowd. Now let's talk about profitability. After all, we're in this to make a profit, aren't we? Consider factors like manufacturing and shipping costs, Amazon fees, and your desired profit margin. If the numbers don't add up, it might be time to revisit your product choice. Last but not least, scalability. Think long-term. Is this a product that has the potential to grow? Can you expand your product line in the future? These are questions you need to ask yourself during the product identification process. In the grand scheme of things, it's all about balance. A product might have high demand, but if it's in a saturated market, your chances of success may dwindle. Similarly, a product might be highly profitable, but if it's not scalable, it may not be the best long-term choice. So go ahead, dive into the world of Amazon FBA product research. Look for that golden product that strikes the perfect balance between demand, competition, profitability, and scalability. And remember, patience is your best friend in this process. Remember, a profitable product is one that has high demand, low competition, and great potential for scalability. After identifying a potential product, the next step is to conduct a thorough market analysis. This process is like being a detective in the world of commerce. You're looking for clues and patterns that reveal the secrets of the market. Understanding these secrets will guide you to make informed decisions about your product's viability in the Amazon marketplace. The first part of the investigation is to understand customer needs. You must put yourself in the shoes of your potential customers. What are they looking for in a product like yours? What problems does it solve for them? How does it make their lives easier or better? This is where customer reviews of similar products become invaluable. They're like a window into the minds of your potential customers. Pay close attention to the positives and negatives mentioned in these reviews. They can give you insights into what customers love and what they wish was better. Next, you turn your gaze to your competitors. Here, you're not just looking at their products, but their overall strategy. What price are they selling at? How are they marketing their products? What kind of customer service do they provide? How do they handle negative reviews? These can all provide clues about how to position your product to stand out from the crowd. Finally, you'll want to assess market trends. Here, you're looking at the big picture. What's happening in the broader market that could affect your product? Are there any upcoming events, new technologies, or changing consumer habits that could impact demand for your product? This requires you to stay updated with industry news, reports, and forecasts. Remember, trends can be your friend or your foe. If you spot a rising trend that aligns with your product, that could signal a golden opportunity. But if you see a trend moving away from your product, that could be a warning sign. By understanding customer needs, analyzing competitors, and assessing market trends, you're not just guessing anymore. You're making strategic decisions based on data and insights. This thorough market analysis is like a compass guiding you through the vast Amazon marketplace. A comprehensive market analysis will help you understand if your product will stand out in the crowded Amazon marketplace. Once you've validated your product and its market, the next step is to find a reliable supplier. Now, you might be thinking, how do I find a supplier? Well, there are several online platforms like Alibaba or Global Sources where you can search for manufacturers. Start by entering the product you're interested in, and you'll find a list of potential suppliers. But remember, it's essential not just to find a supplier, but to find the right supplier. So how do you vet suppliers? Look for suppliers who have been in business for a significant amount of time, say 5 years or more. Check their transaction history and customer feedback. These will give you an idea of their credibility and reliability. You can also request product samples to check the quality. Now let's talk about pricing and terms. Once you've shortlisted a few suppliers, reach out to them. Discuss your requirements, quantities, and ask for a quote. Remember, the quoted price is often not the final price. You can and should negotiate, but while you're at it, don't compromise on quality for the sake of price. It's a balance you need to strike. Establishing a good working relationship with your supplier is vital. Communication is key here. Be clear and concise about your expectations. Regularly update them about your needs and any changes in your business. Remember, your supplier is not just a vendor, they're a partner in your business. Treat them with respect, and they'll be more likely to go the extra mile for you. One more thing, don't put all your eggs in one basket. It's wise to have more than one supplier. This way, if something goes wrong with one, you have a backup. So, there you have it. Finding a supplier might seem daunting, but with these tips, you're well on your way to sourcing your product successfully. Finding a reliable supplier is crucial to ensuring the quality of your product and the sustainability of your business. So there you have it, the process of Amazon FBA product research broken down into manageable steps. Let's take a moment to recap. First, we discussed the importance of identifying the right product. This isn't just about picking something you think will sell. It's about understanding your market, identifying trends, and finding a niche that you can dominate. It's about choosing a product that you can stand behind, one that resonates with your brand and your values. Next, we delved into the nitty-gritty of conducting a thorough market analysis. This step is all about understanding your competition and the demand for your product. It's about gauging the market size, identifying key players, and understanding consumer behavior. It's about finding a sweet spot where you can carve out your own slice of the market. And finally, we talked about sourcing a supplier. This isn't just about finding someone who can provide your product. It's about building a relationship with a reliable partner, one who understands your business and shares your commitment to quality. It's about ensuring that your product is produced and delivered in a timely and cost-effective manner. Every step of this process plays a crucial role in ensuring the success of your Amazon FBA business. Skipping one or neglecting another could spell disaster for your venture. Remember, product research is not a one-time task, but an ongoing process that can make or break your Amazon FBA business. So, take your time, do your homework, and happy selling.